Adamu.
Hey.
Adamu, you man.
That one, go. That one.
Salah, you forget me.
No.
You forget
No.
me. Adamu.
No.
No good though. You don't give me. See this meat though. Instead of you to give me my salah meat, you just need to enjoy. Give me this meat now, my and chop.
That one.
When will you drop the plate and touch God?
Adamu, you man.
All the time.
No, I will
Use
keep
that
your
time
own
to
for you
pray
now.
first. Pray
I will
first.
keep your own for you, say praise.
Barka de salah, barka to the talk ourselves.
Barka de Idi.
Why this meat they tell someone now?
Pray first. You too like food.
You know they tell like ram meat. You know cook ram.
Okay, I forget. Now one Uduma we did across our fence now. Her cat died and she come fry her. Come give me now like this. I want to try. I don't even know say wait till you carry the chop for.
Cat. Now cat meat be this.
And I cat meat now. And the funny part is the woman we get the cat now winch too.
Now cat I taste this morning. Jesus.
Now cat now.
Why you allow me carry cat meat? Why you allow me carry cat meat?
Nobody always see food.
But why you do as you still answer the car? Why you not tell me they make a?
Nobody always
why you
see
go tell me
food.
they make a car? Why you go tell me make a?
Lord of Jesus.
Okay, get out. You go see food, you chook and this. You no go respect yourself.
Some of you are wicked.